Hello world, welcome to Quick Drawing Tips. Today we have Elena Kurnosova. Yes, that I don't know how that's pronounced, so I put an accent to it. Let's go! Elena Kurnosova from Russia. Okay, this is also one of the most accurate portraits that I have made. So okay, even this might look complicated because the hair is all over the place, but again, as I say, break it down. The hair covers what, more than 50% of this drawing. So how you start with, to start this, first make the border of her face, draw the eyes. She has nice freckles, her nose, lips, and then finish up there, this entire bottom half. You finish up this entire bottom half. Once this bottom half is been drawn and shaded, then you move on to the hair. Now hair is, for her, the hair has some patterns. See, this is one part, this part, that part, this is a part. So break her hair down into parts. But once this part is there, once these parts are done, you can start going as you normally would. See, it all follows like a river, you know, like a river. Starts from the top, goes to the bottom, flows to the bottom, flows to the bottom. Stray hairs goes wherever you want. And that was tip of the day. Thank you so much for watching that video. You know what to do. Show me some love, toss in the comments.